everybody, I'm Garrett with the NRVTA, and I'm here with Chris and Martha, and they are here for the Alliance Owners Fundamentals class. How are you guys doing?
We're doing great. We're really excited to be here.
Yeah, absolutely.
What are you most excited about for this week?
Mainly learning more about the rig. You know, I mean, I know quite a bit about it already, but there's still a lot of things that, you know, that you want to know.
Oh my goodness, I don't know that I could put my finger on one particular thing. I mean, there's a little bit of everything that I want to know, so I'm so excited.
How long have you been RVing for?
For about 20 years.
To have a good time with fellow allies and see everyone's knowledge come up.
Learning how to work on my camper myself and not have to depend on somebody else.
Just learning more about our coaches and how they work, how we can work on them better in case something goes on.
What is one of the things you think is going to be most difficult about this week?
Just going back to school in general.
Doing what she tells me once she gets educated.
For me, I think it's going to be electrical, learning about electrical. I have this thing, and it's got these wires, and I have no idea. It's got hieroglyphics on it, I believe, so.
I'm not sure what all we're going to cover, but I'm probably least experienced in anything to do with air conditioning.
Background is construction, so you know, I think I can figure it out. It's just getting the instruction on how to work on things.
Awesome. Well, good luck this week. Since this class fell on Halloween, we decided to have a costume contest along with a potluck. Alliance RV owners also had many gatherings and spent this week learning about their RVs. They covered the different electrical systems, propane and water systems. They also learned about the 5 major components in their RV, along with how to maintain and repair those systems. All right, Jim, you just finished fundamentals.
Yes.
How was it?
It was awesome. I picked up quite a number of tips on testing, so yeah, I look forward to maybe doing a little self-help of my own when I get up on my roof.
It was like drinking from a fire hose. I feel like I could get out there and actually fix some of the stuff on my rig if it breaks.
So if knowledge is power, I'm leaving with more voltage.
My experience overall was great. The first couple of days kind of blew by and it was a little overwhelming, but I was excited to be here and ready to learn. My knowledge coming in here was not as much as I thought it was.
The team here has been great. The learning is, what they teach you and the labs and everything is awesome.
It doesn't matter like what age you are, probably 18 and older. Whether you want to be an owner or you are an owner, I definitely recommend it. So me as a spouse, I often relied on my husband to do everything on the RV. It's like, well, why just him? Why not me too?
I would recommend anybody who's thinking about getting into this lifestyle and they know that whatever rig they end up with is an investment, this makes the investment that much more valuable because you know how to work on it.
For the new RVer or even the seasoned RVer who wants to just learn more about the usage of systems and the troubleshooting of systems, it's a great resource. I'd recommend it to any RVer.
All right, so we just finished up our fundamentals week for Alliance RV owners. Rob, how do you think that went?
I think it went phenomenally. The owners really seemed to really gravitate towards the information. Todd, the staff, they're just always a joy to be around. And I think they really got a lot out of it.
Do we think we'll be a second annual coming up?
Oh yeah, for sure. We're already planning that 6th through the 10th of November of 2023. So yeah, sign up today.
Link will be in the description. Sign up now.